Welcome to English Daily Hub, the channel where you improve your English every single day. I warmly welcome you to another brand new video. Today's topic is going to be very interesting and extremely useful for your English journey, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Learning a language is like learning to walk. When a baby learns to walk, the first steps are difficult. Sometimes the baby falls, but slowly they get better. Learning a language is the same. At first, it feels difficult, but with practice, it becomes easier. You don't need to be perfect. Every small word you say correctly is progress. Every time you try, your brain becomes stronger. You don't learn a language by only reading books. Books are important, but they are not enough. You need to speak, listen, and use the language every day. Hearing words often helps your brain. Remember them. Listening to someone speak, even if you don't understand everything, is very important. Your brain starts connecting words to feelings and actions. This is how real learning happens. Mistakes are not bad. They are signs that you are learning. If you make a mistake, you are trying, and trying is the key to success. Don't be afraid to say a word incorrectly. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Every small word you learn is a step forward. Celebrate these small steps. They show that you are moving in the right direction. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Every day you learn a little more, and that little adds up. It is important to enjoy the process. Don't focus only on results, okay? Listening and speaking, okay? Use words you know in real life, okay? Say hello to people, ask simple questions, or talk about your day. These small actions help you practice without feeling stressed. Your brain loves practice, and repetition makes your memory stronger. Remember, learning a language is not only about words. It is about connecting with people and understanding the world. Every word you learn gives you a new way to express yourself. Every sentence you make is a chance to share your thoughts. Be patient with yourself. Some days may feel slow, but that is normal. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep listening. Keep learning. You are not alone in this journey. Everyone who learns a language starts from the beginning. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone grows slowly, step by step. Believe in yourself. And remember that every effort counts. Even small practice every day brings big results over time. Listening to the language every day is one of the easiest ways to learn. When you hear a word many times, your brain starts to remember it. You don't need to understand every word at first. Just listening helps your brain connect sounds and meanings. Watching simple videos, cartoons, or listening to songs makes learning fun. When learning is fun, your brain learns faster. Speaking is very important. Don't wait until you know everything. Start with small words and simple sentences. Talk with friends or family, even if you make mistakes. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. Using new words and sentences helps you remember them better. Your brain links the words with real life, so they stay in your memory longer. Reading simple. Stories is very helpful. Stories give meaning to words. When you see words in a story, your brain understands how to use them. Even small sentences are useful. You can read aloud to practice speaking and listening at the same time. Writing small sentences every day also makes learning stronger. Writing helps you remember words and grammar. Even short sentences are important. Every small effort adds up. Focus on words you use daily. Learn greetings, simple questions, and common phrases. These words will help you in real life. Learning is not only about memorizing. It is about understanding and feeling the language. When you enjoy the process, you learn naturally. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Celebrate small victories. Every new word you learn is a success. Practice a little every day. Even 5 or 10 minutes of listening, reading, speaking, or writing is enough. Your brain needs repetition, and daily practice builds strong habits. Connect words with feelings and actions. For example, when you learn, eat, think about eating food. When you learn hello, say it to someone. Real-life connection makes learning easy and natural. Remember, language is not just words. It is a way to connect with people, express yourself, and understand the world. Every sentence you say is a step forward. Every word you learn brings you closer to new experiences. Be patient, keep trying, and enjoy every small success. Learning a language is a journey, and every day you practice, you move closer to your goal. Practice is the key to learning any language. Even a little practice every day can make a big difference. Speak a few words, listen to short sentences, read a small paragraph, or write a simple sentence. Each small effort helps your brain remember and connect new words. The more you practice, the stronger your language skills become. Listening carefully is very important. Pay attention to how native speakers talk. Listen to their pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Try to repeat the words and sentences exactly as you hear them. If you cannot get it right at first, each time you try, you improve. Your brain learns naturally when you hear and repeat. Be patient with yourself. Sometimes learning feels slow. Some days you may forget words or feel confused. This is normal. Every learner experiences this. Don't give up. Keep practicing every day, even a little. Small, consistent steps are better than doing a lot one day and nothing for a week. Progress comes slowly, but it comes steadily. Use the language in your daily life. Say hello to people, ask simple questions, order food, or talk about your day. Real-life practice helps you understand how language works. Words become easier to remember when you use them with actions. Speaking with friends, family, or even yourself builds confidence. Every sentence you speak is a victory. Reading, writing, speaking, and listening together make learning stronger. Don't focus only on one skill. When you combine them, your brain learns faster. Writing helps you remember. Reading gives meaning. Listening improves understanding. And speaking builds confidence. All skills are connected, and practicing them together makes learning easy and natural. Celebrate small successes. Every new word you learn, every sentence you say correctly, is a step forward. Each step brings you closer to fluency, learning. A language is not just about words. It is about connecting with people, expressing yourself, and opening new opportunities. Every effort counts, and every day matters. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Everyone who learns a language starts with small steps. Mistakes, challenges, and slow days are part of learning. Keep going, stay patient, and enjoy the process. Every word you learn is a small victory. Every sentence you speak is a new skill. With practice, patience, and persistence, you can learn any language and use it confidently in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to English Daily Hub for more powerful English lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.